How to send money through PayPal, friends and family. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your PayPal account, and after opening up your account, you have to click on this option of send and wait for it to load. After that, simply search for the person who you want to send the money and just select that person and click on this option of next. After that, just type the amount and click on send. Now it would prompt you whether you want to send it as a friend or as a business. If in case it is not showing for you, then there might be two reasons for it. The first reason is that you have not added that person in your PayPal account. Simply add that person in your PayPal, and this way that person will be shown as a friend or family after that. And even if that person is not shown as friend or family in your PayPal while sending the money, then the other reason could be that in your country it is not allowed to send the money as friends or family, and this is the reason. So this way you would be able to send the money as friends or family while just doing a normal transaction, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.